What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob. This key fob is for a 2019 GMC Acadia, but if you have this key fob, it's going to be the same procedure. So let me show you how to get on it. Okay, to get started with the battery that we're going to use, or the battery that it needs, is a CR2032, just so you guys know. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to press this button here so we can get this key out of here. So after the key pops out, and if you didn't know, you have your own key right here. So if you look at your key, you know it's flat, and you see that little slot right there on the bottom. It's not really made for this, but we're gonna use it for that. That little slot, that is where we're gonna insert the key and kind of turn it like if it was turning on the car. So you put it in, it kind of pops it out, so then you stick it in again, and there it goes. It's completely out. So now very carefully we just open up the entire controller, splitting up the two plastic sides. Here we can see the motherboard on the right hand side, and our battery is going to be actually under this motherboard. So we're going to need to find something to kind of stick in the corners to pull it out. I'm going to use these scissors right here, and we're going to try to pull it out through all corners. You can hear it popping out of the battery. There we go. And here it is. There is our battery. This black box here on the right hand side, that is like your motherboard, so be really careful with this and don't damage that. But there it is, the battery. It is facing down, so once again we're gonna pop it out with the scissors. And here it is. It is a CR2032. We grab our new battery once again, CR2032, and we're gonna put it face down on the controller right here. Pop it in place. Once it's in place, then we grab our motherboard facing down, and we put it in there, and same thing, we kind of gently press it down to make sure that it comes back into place. After that's done, we join the two plastic sides. Make sure that you put them facing the correct way, and very gently we're gonna press all around to get everything to lock back up. And now there it goes. Just double check everything. After that, we're gonna insert our key back in our hole. Once again, just in case you didn't know, you do have a metal key for your vehicle, and this key can only be used to open the door if you run out of battery on your vehicle. And this is the little slot where it's gonna go. Alright guys, so that is it. That is how you replace a key fob battery on this GMC Acadia. Like I said, this is 2019 GMC Acadia. But as long as you have this key fob, it's basically the same thing. I'm going to put in the description basically the range of the years that this works on. But there it goes. And as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.